Login loop error on Funding Circle fix. If you've been trying to log into your Funding Circle account but keep getting stuck in a loop where you enter your credentials, it loads and then sends you right back to the login screen, you're not alone. Most people think this is a password or account issue, but the surprising truth is that it's often caused by stored browser data or expired authentication cookies. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the Funding Circle app or website completely. Then, clear your browser's cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Cached Files. On mobile, go to your device's app settings and clear both cache and stored data for the Funding Circle app. This removes the broken session token that's keeping you in the loop. Next, check for app updates. Outdated versions can cause authentication errors, especially after system upgrades. Go to your App Store, search for Funding Circle, and install any available updates. If you still can't log in, switch your connection. Try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or the other way around. Sometimes network firewalls block secure login requests without you realizing it. Also, make sure your browser allows cookies and JavaScript. Without these, the login session can't be stored properly and the system will keep bouncing you back. If you're using a password manager or autofill, try typing your login credentials manually occasionally. Autofill can insert extra spaces or outdated information. After clearing cache, updating, and reconnecting, your login should finally stick. So, the next time you're trapped in a Funding Circle login loop, remember it's not your account that's broken. It's usually a simple case of expired data confusing the system. Clear it out, log back in, and you'll be back to managing your business financing in no time.